Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me Agya Matya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on 5th project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. So in this project we will create a standalone web server with ESP32 that controls 2 LEDs. So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, breadboard, jumper wires, resistor, and LEDs. I have connected LED with ESP32, red LED long leg with digital pin 27, red LED short leg with GND with resistor. Then I have connected green LED long leg with digital pin 26, green LED short leg with GND with resistor. Now I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding, so I will give the codes in description. So let's see the code. Here, just change your SSID and password. Remember that you have to be in same network. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Now let's go to mobile. So now I'm in my mobile. Make sure you have to be in your same network. So now I will go to Chrome browser and type 192.168.1.88. So here you can see this interface. So now I will press the on button. So now you can see the red LED is on. So now I will press the another on button. So now you can see the green LED is on. So now I will again turn off the button. So now you can see the red LED is off. So now I will press the another off button. So now you can see the green LED is off. Now I will show you the demonstration again. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.